Welcome to Beat Acne Roadmap, a brand new series by me, board-certified dermatologist Dr. Teo Wan Lin, in partnership with Dr. T. Dadiao Pharmacy. We're going to start with the science of skin cleansing. How does cleansing affect the skin microbiome? Cleansing is an important part of the skincare routine because it helps to restore the natural balance of good and bad bacteria. In acne-prone individuals, we consider propionibacterium acnes as a pathogenic bacteria. P. acnes, or C. acnes as it is also known by, otherwise doesn't cause problems in other individuals. The reason is because excessive growth of P. acnes occurs in individuals who produce a certain type of oil defined by its physical and chemical composition. P. acnes has also been identified in acne-prone individuals as one that drives a vicious cycle of inflammation and subsequent comedone formation.